Hello, and welcome to Real Estate in a Minute. I'm George Mueller with Century 21 SGR. Today's topic, the weekly MRED market update. Sorry to be a little late on this, but I do think it's important to go over for this week to kind of show a few trends that are emerging here. The spring real estate market continues to move forward. This week, the operative word is steady. You'll see what I mean as I go through the following slides. As you can see here, closed listings saw a dip of 7% compared to last week, while still outperforming last year's pandemic numbers. Listings under contract remain steady, as I said for that word, steady and high. So kind of keep in mind and high with these listings under contract. New listings, again, remaining high as well, but they're neck and neck with last week's numbers. Continue to keep an eye on this stat for possible shift to a buyer's market. As you can see here, rentals saw a healthy 25% jump since last week, while outperforming last year by about 5%. Open houses, good indicator here as well. Open houses took place at MRED's marketplace last week, then in the individual weeks since mid-November. The 2,944 open houses marked a 63% bump compared to the previous week. As I've said in previous weeks too, I expect this to be high in the coming week, then drop for Memorial Day, and then pick back up a little bit. Showings here, again, in the orange yellowish color here is 2021, as you can see, outperforming obviously last year and outperforming the 2019 numbers as we go forward here. So good indicators that people are getting out and seeing places as well. Residential sold prices, a small dip in the median home price, about 1% to 295,000 compared to last week's high of 297,000. Keep in mind, though, this is outperforming last year's numbers by 17%. That's great there. Rental prices were steady. Again, here's that word steady with last week and last year's numbers. Overall, though, the indicators suggest we're still in a seller's market with the median home price. Keep an eye on new listings and closed listings as indicators of a possible buyer's market emerging. If you're looking to buy or sell, this is a fantastic time. As I've said in the previous weeks too, 30-year fixed rates are under 3%, about 2.9, 2.8, depending on where you look. Shop around for that as well, and you'll see good savings as you go through those lenders. Overall, though, a good market. Feel free to buy, sell. If you're in that market, it is a fantastic time. And that's Real Estate in a Minute. Please feel free to reach out with any questions.